Hi my loves, I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. It's a Gaki Lifestyle Measure. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I literally get so much love for you. So I want to say thank you so much to each and everyone who has patronized and showed me love on my last video. Literally, I was amazed. I was pleased. I was so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, you're indulging in something that I literally love so much, because anything concerning fashion and travel, that's the kind of content I would want to literally insist so much in this kind of channel. So today we're going to be shooting a mini unboxing video, and all these items I purchased them yesterday from China Square. Before we start, this right here is the scent of the day. It's quite chilled, so calm, and I love it. Like, it's really soft, like the vibes endless. I love it. So this right here is going to be our first item. That's how it looks. Nice. Oh my gosh, and it's glass, and on top of that it's 3 liters. I bought it because of making cocktails. I love it. I was going for 1,510. So there's still some more items here. So another item is this. So it has been written Merry Christmas. I was thinking maybe I can place it on my door. I don't know if y'all can see it perfectly. So it's something that you have to be very, very cautious. I think it's plastic, or I don't know what material this is. And it comes with a small thread in here. I love glitters. Anything. This thing is quite short. My God. I'm gonna have to improvise this because this is quite short. That's how it looks. Merry Christmas. I was thinking I'm gonna place it on my door or my window. I don't know, just to, you know, just to pass the message to my neighbors about, hello, your girl is in a Christmas mood, you know. Yeah. So that was going for 205. I'm sorry, I was trying to understand what was the name. Otherwise, they are the same design. Each 150, 3 of them, it was 450. I'm not sure about the material because I did not check. That's how it looks like. That's nice. Actually, I love it. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna add 3 more so that I can decorate my bedroom. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. Yay! I love it. I bought it because I want to place some goodies in here, so just anyone who comes to visit me during this Christmas period, they can be able to check in here and they can get some goodie, able to hang it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Yeah, this is amazing. This one right here, oh my gosh, I literally got this because of the glitters. I just love the way it's shining, honestly. There are other ones there which were much better, but I felt like this is so pretty. I just love it. Like, for a minute I almost went nada. Like, I almost bought the full outfit because they had the full Christmas outfit, and I was like, you know what, Kiki, it's never that serious. You can just wear something gorgeous and then have this hat on, and yes, this was going for 135 shillings. The other item is this China Square bag. It was 80 shillings. I don't know why I always go there and I keep purchasing these bags instead of carrying them. Then we have the glitter envelope cosmetic bag. that should be this. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. My goodness, look at that. And it's a 3-in-1. There are different colors, but I literally thought the pink one stood out for me, so I chose a pink. So it's a 3-in-1. That it has some little glitter going on in there. Then we have this one right here, which is a sister. Then we have this one right here. So they're like sisters. This and that. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet, but I'll know later on. I'm thinking I should add another one, a different color, because I think they might be very useful when you're traveling. I think it's so pretty. 505 shillings. I love it. I love, 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 love. That should be for my dog. It wasn't necessary, but I just got it. That was the only color that made sense to me. So actually I was going for 100 shillings. I think maybe that's what prompted me to purchase it, because I was like, what? The quality is so good and the price is ridiculous, like ridiculously crazy. Oh wow, and it's adjustable, so meaning I can be able to adjust it to his size. Oh, this is so cute. My god, I'm in love and I'm obsessed, and I don't even feel guilty about it. Wait, is this thing tiny? I don't know. I think it's quite tiny for my dog. Maybe I can gift it to someone who has a cat. This is quite tiny for my dog. Too bad. It was going for 100 shillings. Yeah, this is the main reason as to why I wanted to shoot this video. I'm telling you, my goodness, these Christmas lights, they were going for 730 shillings, and I chose a multicolored one. I'm telling you, my dear. And another thing is, you don't necessarily need to use them during Christmas time. You can use them during any time. Actually, they've written multifunction, so you can use it however you wish. The color, I was like, my goodness, I did not know what theme I was supposed to go for this time, but the lights, these lights are going to suggest the theme that I'm gonna go for my Christmas decoration and all that. So this is one great reason for you to rush to China Square and purchase this. Actually, this is not a paid advert, but it's just a girl plugging. Y'all, go get this. It's quite long. I'm telling you, it's long. It's long. I tried opening it yesterday, that's why I couldn't be able to close the box. And on top of that, you're supposed to connect the cable to the socket, so it's not the type that you're supposed to use the battery. Actually, it's electricity, so this is nice. You can switch it off at night or during the day, and you can use it for outdoors, indoors. My god, I love it. It's really long. It's really long. I don't even want to do a mistake of opening it right now, because I'm gonna have a chaotic moment to like have it all together. So yep, rush to China Square and get this. I feel like when I'm going to purchase more Christmas decor items, I'm gonna add 2 more, because damn, that is a huge steal. And actually, if you're a business person, this is something that you can be able to go buy and go sell in your area where you know there's no China Square. This is a good business idea, because once you purchase one like this and you sell it at 1,500, you're getting 700 on top. Darling, do not say I did not plug you. Business mindset. This scent is going for 520. I know that's right. This is one nice scent for a basic day. You know, that day when you're just like chilling, or just you just want to be there, or you want to go to the market, or you want to go do some shopping for the house and all that, and you don't want to be too much. This, amazing. Or rather, you can even wear it at night. It just depends with your vibes. I literally love it. I love it. I love. It's literally a representation of On My Way. Oh my god. Let me show you the bottle. Gosh, look at that. What a nasty girl. Bad girl. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Actually, if I don't even like how it smells, I'm just gonna store it because of the bottle. But I love how it smells, so. Oh, do I? Oh my god, I love it. It smells like raspberries. Oh my god. Oh, I literally thought you all can smell. I'm sorry. This is beautiful. It was going for 85 shillings. Then we have this nail glue. It was going for 70 shillings. Then we have this small crystal pendant. So it's a star that I'm supposed to place on top of my Christmas tree, and on top of that it has this part right here, meaning I can be able to like place some batteries in there and it will be able to light. I love that. My goodness, I'm loving the whole Christmas theme this time. That was going for 185 shillings. Then we have the glitter pendant. It has the gold, silver and red. We have, yeah, gold, silver and red. And I bought 4 packets. So inside there are 3 pieces inside. So that's like 6. That's like 12 pieces. And all together, one was going for 55 shillings. All of them together, 220. Then we have, I'm not sure if I should trust it because when it comes to your face you have to be very cautious, but the fact that it has aloe vera made me feel like we can try. It was going for 265 shillings. Actually the bottle is what intrigued me. I loved it because of the bottle. It's just beautiful. It looks very, very healthy. Giving healthy. The SPF is 60 and it's by Kiss Beauty. Anyway, we'll try and see if it reacts to bad. Then we have, the color is so beautiful. Then I have this one right here, it's a brown one. Then I have this nude. 2 are going for 90. I think it's this one's. Then this one was going for 85. I have this, it was going for 205. They're stick-on nails. I have this mascara here. I loved it because it has avocado. And I just love the color. I think it's so beautiful. So yep, that's it on our China haul. I hope you all loved the video. If this is your kind of tea, tap in, show me some love, share, interact, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want.